guys, it's KitAndEvaProductions here, and I don't know what video this is going to be in. It's probably going to be in my making of my boy doll, whatever the heck he's going to be named, and my Felicity, who you'll see probably later in this video. She's not actually like a Felicity Merriman or whatever the heck her last name doll is. It's just, I'm gonna name her Felicity. So this, I do believe, is my boy doll, or the doll I'm going to be turning into my boy doll, and if not, then that's too bad. And welcome to the KitAndEvaProductions family, my unboxing scissors. Okay, so let's just open this up. Again, I don't really know. I don't know for sure if this is the doll. I think, but I'm like almost positive it's the doll because I mean, like, this is a doll-shaped box. And that's covering my address, if you were wondering. Oh, hi, Cleo. Oh, y'all can't see her. Y'all can't see Cleo. By the way, y'all, I still have the box that, I think Mia came in. It was either the box that she came in or my camera came in, but, you know, that's fine. Oh, just one. I'll just open it up from this side. This likely is a 29, a number 29. If not, then it is either a number 33 or a Nikki. And because I couldn't tell from the pictures, but that's the doll that I will be, I think, using for my summer movie, and then also to turn into my custom doll. So yeah, that's fun. I'm in the process of cleaning up all my dolls, but I don't have like the wig, if this is the number 29, so I don't really know what I'm gonna do with it's literally probably just gonna stay in my closet for like until the wig comes. Alright, are you guys ready for the oh, this is the 29. This is 29, isn't it? Or is it? Yeah, this is 29. It's got writing on its butt. So I don't know if it was like a visual doll. That's what it says. It says it's a visual doll, but like, you know, from American Girl. Cleo, do you like bubble wrap? Let's give you some bubble wrap, Cleo. Do you want some bubble wrap, Cleo? I want some bubble wrap. Alright, so, oh. Wait, is this a 29? Oh, this is... I think this is the, like, the doll that is for the doll hospital thing. Oh shoot, she's got glitter in her mouth. I didn't see that. Do y'all know what I'm saying? Oh my gosh, wait. So this is not number 29, I don't think. Are you number 29? I don't think you are. She's got good limbs though. Her limbs are pretty tight. Her legs aren't as tight, but they're still nice. Yeah. Oh, is she number 59? I honestly thought that this was a 29 with cut hair. Hold on. Yeah, her. 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 I think this is her. I think that's who we have here today. Wait, hold on. Number 59? Is that what she is? No, number 59 has longer hair. Yo, 59's cute. Or are you 59? Are you 59 with cut hair? She might be 59 with cut hair. So, she's gonna need some work. I was hoping that I would just need to take off her wig because I'm not going to eye swap her. I'm too lazy to do that. Oh my gosh. That one eye's a little wonky, but it opens and closes, so it's fine. Okay. Well, that's all. Hey guys, so I'm just going to quickly clean up the face of this doll because if you can't see, it's got some glitter all over the place. So, yeah, let's get going. Okay, I have to charge my battery real quick, but ew, this is disgusting. It all fell out as I was ripping it off. That is so Hey guys, so it's been about like a week, if not two, since I filmed the rest of that video, and I just started to get to editing it and I realized that I never showed off the final product. So here he is. I'll put up a before and after picture of him. But so his name is Owen Ace Morris. I did another Instagram poll on Instagram to see what name you guys wanted him to be, and I think it ended up being one of the names that I didn't personally like. And one thing I regretted about Aspen was, although that name really suits her, I had a different name that I really liked, but I went with the name that you guys chose, which I kind of regret, but I don't really feel like changing it now. So yeah, his name is Owen, and he loves baseball, loves gaming, and also loves going to concerts and jamming out to music at 2 a.m. in his car. So he's in a way like your average-ish teenage boy. So yeah, stay tuned for many more customization videos in the future, because I have 2 that should be coming up sometime soon, except Felicity's might not be until after the summer or like during summer, but my other boy doll will probably come out sometime soon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!